Hello there you lovely people. Well, today we're going to be cooking some really lovely chicken breast. It's going to be buttermilk chicken breast served up in burger buns. Not just burger buns, brioche burger buns. It's a simple dish, very easy to do, so full of flavour, and yeah, keep with me and we'll carry on. So in this bowl I've just got some plain flour, and you can use any flour you want really, doesn't make much difference. And in there we're going to go in with a hefty teaspoon of paprika. We've got here a teaspoon of garlic powder, which adds so much flavour. We love this stuff, don't we? Really. We've got about a half a teaspoon of chilli powder. We don't want to go over the top with that. We don't want this too hot. Just warm enough so that it gives us some flavour and a little bit of a kick to it. Now also in there we're going to put, and we shouldn't do this on a regular basis, but I'm going to put in about a half a teaspoon of salt. Just table salt, in that goes. We give this a mix and then it's off to do the cooking. See you in a bit. Now carefully place each piece of chicken breast into the flour mixture and make sure it's coated all the way over. Now add your chicken pieces into some really hot oil, and be very careful at this stage. If the oil's too hot, add a bit more oil or turn the gas down. And make sure your chicken is cooked right through, crisp and golden. So now it's time to assemble our delicious buttermilk chicken in a brioche bun. So now it's time for a taste test. Oh, better take that out, could lose an eye. Magnificent, if I do say so myself. It's cooked right through, perfect, nice and crispy on the outside, and because it's buttermilk chicken, it's so soft and tender. Thanks for watching this latest video of mine, and please subscribe, give me a thumbs up and a share, that'd be great, and I'll see you all again in the next video. Bye for now.